Is there something wrong with being gifted with knowledge? Some of you were given an opportunity to have a higher education. Some of you were given an opportunity to understand mysteries. Mga bagay na hindi maunawaan ng isang ordinaryong tao, yung mga komplikadong mga terms. And some of us were given that gift. And why do you think, bakit ibinigay ng Panginoong Diyos sa'yo ang ganitong gift of knowledge? Because, sabi natin last Sunday, this gift was given for us for the common good of others. Para sa kabutihan ng lahat, this gift of education, which I say